Good morning, Year 7s. I've heard about this challenge that only one person has so far embraced, and that's the Rainbows of Hope challenge. And so I was thinking perhaps you just need some inspiration on how to make it a bit more interesting for you. And also, maybe some of you don't know the orders of the colours in the rainbow, so I'm going to tell you. Officially, it's red, and then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And if you're asking me to explain what those last two colours mean, I think you're going to have to do some colour mixing. So here we have my palette, and I've got some gouache colour paints. They're a little bit like watercolours, but they're opaque. That means you can't see through them as easily as watercolours, so they make a nice strong colour for painting. And then I was thinking, you're too old and sophisticated to paint a rainbow per se. You want to actually do something a little bit more creative perhaps. So I'm going to do something and hopefully you'll recognise what it is. So I'm going to make it up as I go along. So I'm going to do a shape. Let's see if you can see what this is. I'm going to mix some colours, strong ones, maybe a little bit of red. There we go. And I'm going to do that. Can you see what I'm doing? There. There we are, people in the middle. So what is it? It's an eye. So how am I going to add this idea of a rainbow to give everybody, to spread that message about positivity and hope? So I'm going to do this. Just red. There. And then the next colour, well, I'm sure you know it's going to be orange. I haven't got orange in my palette, so I'm going to make it two primary colours, red and yellow. Let's hope this works. I think I need a bit more red, don't I? There we go. Orange. Maybe a bit more. Doesn't have to be that neat. Just has to be painterly. Right. That's orange. And then yellow. So I'm going to have to wash my brush for this. Here we go. Yellow. Yellow. This is the funkiest eyeshadow you've ever seen. So I hope some of you are thinking now, gosh, Mrs. Worthington's making that look easy. You can make something really amazing. Just think about the rainbow colour rule. So I can't hear you, but I'm sure you realise that the next colour in the scale is green. There we go. That's certainly bright enough. And then it's blue. So I've got a nice blue here. Watch. I think that needs to be a bit bolder. And then it says indigo. I think that's a darker blue. There we go. And then last but not least, violet. Now that's tricky, but not impossible. It's like a mixture of blue and red. So I think I'm going to have to add some there. That looks like a violet. I keep thinking of Parma violets, which are like sweets. I need to stop eating sweets. Okay, right. Violet is there at the top. Now, eye colour. There we go. Rainbow eye. Maybe I should have a reflection of rainbows. Anyway, I'm just going to do the dark bit in the middle. Have fun.